Hello and thank you for watching my channel again. Today I'm just going to quickly show you how to basically find a word in your document and replace it with additional words. So for example, I've just opened up a document. You click on the document, you press Control and H at the same time, or Control first and H on your keypad, and this will basically, a screen will pop up and it will show you the attribute of field and replace. So in the document, exactly what field you would like to find and what you would like to get replaced with. So the first box, you put in what word you'd like to replace in your document, and it gets highlighted automatically in yellow. And then what you would like it to be replaced with. So you could put anything you want. So I'm going to put in employer. And then if you click, you can replace, or you can, and that would do one at a time, or whichever one you want to replace. Or if you would like to do the whole document without any time and hesitant, just click on replace all, and it will be like, and a little pop-up will show up and say all done, and 111 have been replaced. So as you can see, it's all been changed. So if you click on employee now, there isn't any in the actual document, but if you change it to employer, you'll find it everywhere. Thank you for listening, and I hope that helped you.